Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to style our freshly washed hair on the left, and I'm just going to walk you through the steps that I took after I washed my hair out when I got out of the shower. So here I'm just starting in the back. I decided to use a comb today. I normally use my Denman brush. I hope I said that right. But I don't know. I just felt like using a comb today. I will list the products that I'm using in the description because I did not post those on camera. And I like to just do my hair in twists. I don't know why. That just seems to work for me. I don't like to braid my hair. Not when it's wet. So again, I am just taking sections that's regular plain water in that spray bottle, giving my hair a nice little comb through and applying my product. I let my hair sit in my twist definitely overnight before I took it down. I don't know how long, but I know for sure it was overnight before I took it down to actually style my hair. Just because for me, my hair takes a really long time to dry. So if you notice that about your own hair, you may want to start earlier in the day so that you can give your hair enough time to dry so that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. This is just my favorite filter. Y'all just need to get used to it. So I got some argan oil. And y'all know I got my Cantu. I did not like Cantu products at first, but I kind of like them now. So coconut mist shine and hold, curl or comeback curl, next day curl revitalizer. So because this one probably has a water base, let's see. It does, as I was saying. I spray it in my hand because I just want to rub it over the twist. Not a lot, or your hair gonna start being frizzy because that water gonna make it do whatever the fuck they want to do. So now I do want a little hold. This also has the water base, but it also has the coconut oil, and it helps for the shine. So now that we did that, we can lock it in with some oil. And you just want to use oil when you start taking your hair down. Sometimes your head wrap can drain it a little bit. So I'll start right here in the front just so y'all can see what we got going on here. Okay, so I could feel when I started like trying to separate that wasn't enough product. Like it's enough to, you know, whatever. But put some more just in your hands. You don't really need a lot, so that was kind of too much. But so we're right here. What I'm not gonna do is sit and coil my hair. It didn't come out coily, so I'm just gonna separate it just a little bit because this is way too much hair to be doing all of that. Big ups to you ladies who can sit and take your hair down one by one and finger coil it. I'm not. No, I'm just not. But let's give it a little moisture. Yeah, it's just separated. And here, I just don't mind that little look. I thought something was crawling on me. But, you know, it's time for the pick. You know what time it is. If you're a real natural, just go in and lift those roots up. Don't do a lot because you just don't really want to ruin your hard work. On this particular day, I thought it was going to rain. So I was only concerned with my ponytail. But the sun did come out, so I was able to wear my hair down. But the next day, I pulled it up in the ponytail that you see in the picture that's on the front cover when the video starts. So thank you all for tuning in. I do have more to come. Make sure you like and subscribe and share.